Hi my friend, cooking with the air fryer. I'm using this Ninja. I'm in love with it. Look at these sausages, how beautiful they are. Cooked, beautiful, juicy in the middle and not burned. And look at this bacon. You can make it more crispy. And the beauty, if you are waiting for your family, or if you are a private chef like me and you are waiting for your clients, you have this food made in advance, and when the clients arrive, you can rate, and it's like you have cooked now. Of course, must be cooked on the day, but also the beauty of having this kind of equipment in your kitchen. You know what means? Means that you can choose the time and for certain kind of product, meat, vegetables, fish, and when the machine works, you can walk away and nothing goes burned. And what you have to do, maybe every now and then you can check it and put it back, and the machine goes on by itself straight. And so yeah.